Well, it's day 15, and today was a busy day. I got a lot of stuff done. This morning I had a doctor's appointment with my family doctor, and she removed the staples from my incision. She checked everything out, everything looked good. Um, she was happy with everything that she saw. Because I was still having pain and with the swelling, she wanted to make sure that everything, she wanted to sign off on everything. So I had an x-ray done of my knee, and I also had an ultrasound done of my leg, just to make sure that there was no blood clot or anything like that, just to, um, I don't know, just answer a question of how come I'm in a bit more pain than what she may have thought. So that's how today went. So did all that, and then had to take a road trip to, because I'm not in my hometown right now. So my prescriptions went to my hometown, so I had to go there and got all my prescriptions that she refilled. So, it was a busy day. I only got to do the exercises once today, and it just was on the go. Last night was a bit better sleep. I had like 2 hours, 2.5 hours, as opposed to the night before, which was like an hour and a half. So I'm working on that still. I'm trying to identify anything that would maybe help hurt, which would hurt my sleep, so that I can help it and try and do better on that sleep. Get more hours, right? Heal better when you're getting your sleep. So that was today's adventures, right? So just see the doctor, jump through a couple of hoops, pick up prescriptions. Yeah, so I'll show you my leg. So this is what my leg looks like today. New bandage. Other bandages have been taken off. There's still a little bit of bruising, but bruising's almost gone. I'm still having the pain across the top, and I'm still having an area here that's kind of numbish, and then I'm still having sort of a bit of pain down the front right here. But there's the leg. It's looking much better. So I did a lot of walking today. I did use the cane more today. So it was more walking with the cane, and not as much with the with my walker. So I pushed myself a little bit, went to a couple places, and just, my knee is a little sore today at the end of the day because of it. But I think it's all good in the end, by pushing myself a little bit, walking more. I think that, it's a good thing. And, yeah, man, like it's just the way it goes, so walking, a little more sore. I'm icing it, I'm putting heat on it. So I'm just trying to, I guess, do everything that I got to do, and I'm going to go home, I think, tomorrow, and going to need to be able to do more for myself. So that is the end of the day 15. Anyway, we'll see what tomorrow holds, because it's snowing here like really bad. We've probably got 4 or 5 inches on the ground, and I just know that when I go home, there will be an additional like 3 inches on the ground. There's always another 3 inches where I live, as opposed to where my parents live. So I'm just gonna have to take it easy, be careful, and not just not do anything risky. Try not to fall. Just be careful. Anyway, that's the end of day 15. Have a good night. We'll see you tomorrow.